Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps showing in the dock on Mac even after I quit them. So if you notice that the app are still appearing on the dock even after you have completely quit them, your Mac may actually be working as expected. In many cases, the app is not still running. Instead, it's being displayed in recent app section in dock. When show suggested and recent app in dock feature is enabled, macOS keeps recently used application visible for quick access even after they have been closed. Because of this, many users think that the app does not quit properly when it's actually just being shown as recent used app. So to fix this issue, so if you don't want recently used app to stay in the dock after you quit them, here's what to do. First, go to system settings. Now click on the desktop and dock from the left side pane, and finally disable the toggle right to show suggested and recent apps in dock. And as you can see, the apps will gone from the dock. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.